want see Lumba so no near Akosua say wan so nkasa before beku wom.
Nini abani saw friend 2 days before his death. Wa pama Akosua yi odobro ni afiri fie.
But lawyer, say me original radio show can we say anu issue lawyer.
Now they on social media won't hear. You are asking of the facts that I know and I'm narrating them to you.
When you been no kan na asem kire o.
Now so dia wo ka so ni ka say you be na ka kire o. Wo say yes say no ni Akosua say wan ka. That obi na ka kire o. Ana me boa.
There be say ogina we mrenim na ogina ma Akosua say wa.
Ana me ka de minim atire wo. Oh na what that's what I'm complaining about. Don't change your language. Please, cancel. I'm not a child. Cancel. If you are not a child, if you are not a child, behave like an adult. Mami can't tell me. Why you want to say we go be anymore? Are you an adult? What take advantage? Hey, do why are you doing that? Are you the only lawyer? Are you the only lawyer in this case? But be a bit adult. I think I'm a lawyer. Whether I'm a good lawyer or not, why you never do. Whether I'm a good lawyer or not, my works will speak. Akwasi, I never want to have a Jimmy. Mame can't say much. Akwasi, doesn't make any comment about me. Otherwise, I will respond equally.
All right, so yanko amano so na ye ne M0ney William Kusi M0ney a wogina honom saying ma the plaintiff asema ye ensaman yakwa akosaman ye Abusuapanin Kofi Usu Odobroni and transition funeral homes Orakusi ada asema akwa baba Peace FM so ewie na empomo boko yeda se na yenim se anopei moko court na no nkomo ayedi ye ma yenya ne ntiase yes Akosua se wakwa akosama Abusuapanin Kofi Usu Priscilla Ofori aka Odobroni and transition funeral homes and net moko ye ne pese ehu na etiefo yetimi sua na esi potin because obeti na bi say okay well ye tu asem na sheda ya bo asem na gu dia be important pa na bia betimi aka na mame ni metiefo yetimi nya asem nti asem na esi wo court ne
yo me das na ya samai Abusuapanin ni Odobroni no file motion for injunction and then an injunction application na move and Abusuapanin lawyer and Odobroni lawyer and a transition will be an injunction no I'm the Odobroni lawyer no say my for the BBC I won't say about some movie in case now. No one did triaka because Akosua say why in Ghana. To win any enemy court. They do court one Abusuapanin lawyer sorry say Pafale.
And Pacho was say Mon Fabi be Messia why say Akosua say why in Ghana.
Ghana and to Odipi my idea own Yabia Obefa. Fiana and Tiamanum ever be here.
Okay.
Yeah, no. Court in Betty. You're calling her. Abusuapanin lawyer there. Pafale Krata there, or Odobroni need to me some.
But Akosua say why need to me?
Akosua say why need to me.
Okay.
Also need capacity. Local standard. Or you should capacity local standard, and I've been doing law there 2 different things.
Okay.
And boy, but on several court, on several obia any a court na motion in Kuran say a file motion to get twitch and some sheta. Maybe the court mami move injunction because you're 7 on the 5th of October or will be file a contract and then a paper court over 5. And a court say well almost file a conditional appearance until almost 14 days. You want the benefit of the doubt. No one said with the motion. The next agenda, which is 28, no motion means a year. And I know Koyama court to my 28th. Now court on Zasha was a seminal, obedient to get a dear seminal. Any Muslim on the court. And the that's what can see upon here. That's something back on one.
Empacho, so send your watch them in Mentiasi ni Aqua said, and Nadia Nanka near Woshe for client, and they said, Sa tabu amo hesen kayem fan to a year, Sir Obin Konko Yida di Lumba M0ney, Ana one koyen she say fan ye no, and who was an anka who has said Nanka Mobeka, but a year Odobroni lawyer. So I file a year another case away. Akosua Serwaa ni capacity. Brofono. Not as I say, we need to me ana we need near a man a crime say be on no crank or they are sending by bed down court. And court now can't assemble mubia.
The one Camubia, the children say, court is a common file conditional appearance. And the condition appearance more 14 days. And the one theatre maybe I was here on the exam 28.
But say na Monshishe ni senya musika no say bia well ye fa e bia fan ye serve rate ni ade over 10 days you be entire appearance ni sa nyama no. Does that mean say sa processes ni nyina no odobro ni nimre ni anye Abusuapanin nimre ni anye sa nyama ni nyina.
And the merit of the case no and I walk yeah we a technical point they raise you on the day, but we can't disclose it. The 7 on the 13th of early appearance. Okaya 8 days nature. And when I say, oh my 8 days nature, what do you mean for early process? You saw cost record. The meaning I do, I do all those points. But for now, they are concentrating on the factual aspect of it. Anyway, I say, as I'm on court, you didn't radio.
How? So near CNN no send our new client Mojino Ankasa Muhuni say yes we no ye niam bia wo mo ye de e bia delay niam de twintwan ma na mu ana mo de mu ye okay Akosua say why you okay as e bia mrenim ni agina ma no send na Mojino pa senator
oh e did say a tactics am person delay is now in so court now we lawyer ni now so lawyer ni no other side in person be dia sama na nim so into ready for the assembly term and the system. And the Yamana another chance. This time around, court now warning so we get to be a court of agent going and to me assure that got to appear to file will be able filing the answer in court.
Reporters in M0ney BIAT and I report a crying in a Kasa SCA can be about say if it will be common. Say by yasem no mumfa nkofie nkosiesie mpacho de na betimi aka fa no kre say yes judge no e ma say futu no
my futu wan shayin odo ma futu de betimi a e fa nkofie ni ngochi amekwa meka so e probi obe volunteer ba say obeso jinam no siesie a credible person registered usha and some Akosua Serwaa niaba Akosua Lumba niaba
Akosua Brepoma
yes and anyone for Chuchumuchu a friend of Robert and someone became not just a more party themselves from committee members or mere coordinators they have nothing to do with the family and so Oma Chuchumuchu you change and no without them, and they are not happy.
But I know the more so many Zomatic committee.
The government is Zomatic one a mandate of Zomatic committee. Now, was happening. On no one was happening. So, on what in the committee, because it's our go to on the Lumba. Then in your Bermatio, in your bow, no offer, no mechanic offer, no mammy, your Berma. So, what do you mean, sound when Uncle Flower was on a committee?
But I don't know how can say what because I mean members your more committee so you say Penya vice chairman committee no chechi no representation honum seeing Akosua
chairman committee
ora Collins amankwa
oya buziani so Abusuani. Obi onye Abusuani to be vice chairman of a committee planning Obi ayi. Nane wafa enka ho. Nane bi ama enka ho. Nane wafa asibi enka ho. Yeka se akofa wa cha be what mase.
Basa papa shi nsu wom. Onu so say onu so Abusuani. Ana
or by office and he's complaining because the decisions are taken without them, even though they are led to be members of the committee or some call president. Well, I'm calling Abusuapanin Yeni Shesis or chief of staff. No moves up with the president. I say no guys or kind of wow. Let us learn to do what is right. So. Which means
a Bushane Ninji committee in Cromatino Meninjo.
It is an illegitimate committee that has opened an account that is dealing with the funds of Lumba's funeral in a manner that they don't accept. One of the committee members said, Obi and so can be said, Pabra.
Mpacho, Council, we say it's an illegitimate committee.
Yes.
How?
Why it's not sanctioned by the family.
Committee Abusuapanin was now say illegitimate.
Abusuapanin constitute two family. Can the Abusuapanin alone constitute a family?
How?
Because it's not sanctioned by the family.
Committee Abusuapanin was now say illegitimate.
Abusuapanin constitute two family. Can the Abusuapanin alone constitute a family?
I see Dabuate was where Dabuate was a Lumba, Akosua Serwaa ne brother. And he see they illegitimate.
And Dabuate take the decision. Young consult. Is that a committee? And I Odobro Abusuapanin the womb. Ne papa, I am from Yensa, Nasofo, Nidia Bema. According to Vice Chairman, I'll see a year Nipa Papa also. Oh, but I listen to the Vice Chairman. Or say or the Ahimfubiaba.
Why not the
Ahimfubiaba? Papa.
That's not what he said.
That is what he said to my hearing. M0ney Castle UTV. I don't know which medium you heard him, but I'm telling you what I heard. And the people have just left my office. Papa Shi, Boite, and one of his uncles. They just left my office. And they are complaining.
So are they complaining about people like Jiga and Nana Safo?
They are complaining about the strangers in the committee who are making the decisions, including the one you have called the vice chairman. Busybodies, no more committees. They are complaining about them.
And now she will be Jessica. Obi account Jessica.
Funeral 1 week Ghana could be accounts. That is what I'm told today. There was secretaries with the account, which does not include any of the family members. The head of family or somebody. Don't withdraw cash without the notice of the rest.
This is a serious allegation.
It is not an allegation. It's a fact. You can call them and ask them.
So, Council, you have evidence on maybe account.
Carl Bank account. They are complaining. And I think that we should listen to their complaints and make sure that we resolve it to avoid this confusion.
I know my could be account. Carl Bank and one Jessica.
But we are journalists. You can investigate whether there's a Carl Bank account that has been opened in respect of Lumba's funeral. You can ask. And some of them may be a baby, but I can't even disclose some of them.
And Pacho,
the big couple that will tell me from 28,000 out of the fund that has been gathered for the funeral.
Abusuapanin aware, sir, adie we nyina.
Yes. On one person called that hotel, Jessica, you can ask him.
Abusuapanin.
Yes.
Okoda hotel, Jessica, like Sikana.
For the period, no number 1 week, no that hotel. For Jessica.
Hey.
You can ask him.
Wow. This is serious.
And the right thing must be done. Or this year, we are never Abusuapanin going to Abusuapanin. Only to show Chokra that you know the normal Abusuapanin, Abusuapanin, and you know Mapruba. Abusuapanin does not constitute a committee without the sibling, without its direct anchor. And all of them will be protesting. What will be that? We should date. Set a date without consulting them, whether it will be good for them or not. Now, do you know what they told me?
Debut.
They said that the Lumba and Abusuapanin no yaka before he's dead.
Daddy Lumba no near Abusuapanin kasa.
Abusuapanin no.
Answer now Babe Konu no near Abusuapanin kasa.
No mon kasa.
Aden.
Abusuapanin no bisa so no social media.
Basa wona wo ka kire me ni metiefo ntira me busa wo yi.
Me say obe ka kire wo.
Ba wona wo be ka kire.
It had to do with Akunya bi anka Daddy Lumba akopa die. And one disagreement. And on any kasa bi.
Ba wo si Lumba so no ne Akosua se wan so nkasa before be ko wo.
Nini Abani saw a friend 2 days before his death. He surprised his death because he called him 2 days. Nah.
David, me say almost no one Akosua se wan so nkasa before be ko.
No more kasa. No, so we two akọ Germany. In fact, one more me interviews him to one baby how many times. There's no Lumba or relocate akọ na yiri ho.
Oh. Ba say
me say wa pama ko ayi odobro ni afiri ni fie.
But lawyer, Sansa me out radio show can we lawyer.
Now they social media won't hear.
But social media seminar. Oh, lawyer. And I want to social media question. You are asking of the facts that I know, and I'm narrating them to you. This say I'm from Abomani.
He was going to relocate to Germany to live with Akosua.
When you be no can ask him chiro.
Now to the Awokaso in the Gaza, you open the Kajro.
Why did me busa asemo?
Mr. Asemo. Once he had said, Tony Akosua one cousin, that will be now Kajro, and I'm a boy.
Me busano one training. No, some media mean century me busano imano.
Also die. Tell me and send Miss who be sending another Kajro. There will be so M0ney Ujinama Akosua Serwaa. And I make the minimal and then wouldn't be. Let me be sincere with you. Most of the things I'm saying, I heard them today. The family was there, all of them.
And you believe all of them?
Oh, why would a family member lie? What for? What is the benefit they will get from lying? May I have advised them severally? Because at the end of the day, it is peace we want. And we want the funeral to be conducted in December as planned. And everything we are doing said that within the period of October, November, everything will be resolved. That is our game plan. But the fact of Tony Akosua one person, I don't remember information. The Lumba himself has said he was relocating to Germany to live with a wife. And to tell you, to give you an indicator, on his 60th birthday, he says he made a complimentary remark about the wife. Kaya. And also they say the new bit of TV. Or Synchrofo said, me Akosua Serwaa ne ma me do ma me yare ye. Anya no kurada, o timi nye taada. Anu de TV. And you know, I something that he has planned to because it's only Akosua Serwaa kasa. There were disagreements between the two. Say na wona no yere kunye nza pepe. Anu chese mo jai. Mo kun to kwa mu jai. And there might have been disagreement. But the fact of the matter is that they are still married. There are disagreements, and Akosua Serwaa complaint was justifiable. These were the complaints. And it's justifiable.
Now, the lawyer for Sua, Umujina before I become room, so Mokrata Mutroy. So almost say, Lumba, who said Akosua Serwaa Janwo.
Lumba never instructed them. I will explain why. According to the sister, or say that there were some accusations against him. And Obi Amani engages that lawyer in respect of that Akedi, a woman, and these other things that she said, nobody instructed her to do anything apart from that Akedi's work. And it's portrayed in PDR, actually, and once ever, because that is Lumba instruction on the estate. One can't now what is a man,
Council ornament as you because are you saying say because me minti as question then it means that Baba Jaman Associates for no one on boom siri mutro sansem na.
Me say omo engage omo in respect of that Akedi. You see, as a lawyer, I speak to what I've been instructed. What I say? I did not engage in home. And I said, now why they go anyone nobody engaged him. Those responses are bad. It is in conflict, in sharp conflict with Lumba's understanding of the relationship with the wife.
And you're not because who can see another say me say and some Baba Jaman Associate trade no. And same bia one no boom siri makon.
No, but how can a lawyer say that because obedience can continue? Well, look at the ordinance marriage. How can a lawyer what is so say that? Don't worry, under ordinance out in Sakwa, our legal. Was that the instruction Lumba gave more in legal understanding?
No more report to near Abusuapanin catcher.
I know make a chance. So your lawyer didn't tell me Abusuapanin to be cast out of Australia. But that's a problem.
Oh,
may our dear Abusuapanin was such I will ask for the facts. Then as a lawyer, I will write. Whether or not our didn't go and say, we never support the Becca and Sabanti. Well, the one of the a ordinance and some of the band in more. Now you don't write as though you are right, is there. Oma Pale, both as you are, Abusuapanin lawyer.
Peace FM.
Akosua say well need capacity. They say
okay.
They have announced letters written by lawyers for Akosua Serwaa. One of the letters was saying, Lumba Bunu Kwasientino, our don't even marry BNG. Or money notice or start to divorce proceedings.
Near what Mesa and Company letterhead is no?
Yes. Notice of intention to commence legal action.
Yeah.
Does that constitute a legal action? But maybe so. Commonsensically, that is constitute legal action. But I consider a law office. And there's a notice of ordinance marriage between Mrs. Akosua Serwaa and Charles Kojofutu. Does this constitute divorce? Now, cost the bedroom after the application, they will run away. We reported case of prevention of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa.
Now, send your car, send me another assembly. Who is wedding? Could you know?
I obvious. I'm a lawyer, baby, some customer think could you the lawyer near Onimura? Yes, no, be a warrior, move our dinner, I was actually a gua. Are you a lawyer?
No, a lawyer for years because our dear no just crata, pay with my wife or crata soon, and Yama or come my yawa dear.
Why can't who on earth, which lawyer was trained by the Ghana Law School will say that? Sawa dear Yakrata, a movie. Open wants them echo enter to marriage under the ordinance. A crata. There are several authorities to it. Obi Jawa did 20 years. Beman will be judged by the Adia, Yaguawa. And you lawyer because actually now we need Supreme Court decisions on the matter. A crata, the Becca say a crata, the boy a crata.
Okay, and but you need more Jinahanum saying Kakramamina, Honorable Collins, Usuaman funeral coordinator. Uboni the
funeral coordinator according to my instruction, and I'm not ready to banter with him.
I'm not saying you should banter him, Pacho. Any DM, Pacho. Any DM.
No, I'm not ready to banter with him.
I've not asked. I've not said to council, Pacho. Be able to Kakramam council.
Are you going to talk to legal matters or factual matters?
Council and Pacho. Account once a month. Okay, any DM. A TF40 and Pacho. Account once a month. And Pacho be. I don't know to have any Nyabutre Mami Council, Maminia Majman away near court to them, Pacho Council. Nyabutre Council, any dear one. Honorable Osaman Pacho to me come up about entertainment reviews or Peace FM. I was in a Joe so. Nempomwe.
Nyankopon adom.
Empacho ayemia funeral committee makobie account e wo car bank mo agegegigi sika bi e wo mu a eno no wo mo kura bi aye niam bi amoye mo twetwe bi ka ebi obi koda bebi na yetua ne ka ebi kura be 28,000 sa account yi unim hu bibi as a vice chairman ma e committee no
That's Akosua na mesre Madam Akosua Serwaa lawyer. The kasa nyende. Mesre no ba menya akwada o. Mesre no na Abusuapanin nya akwada no de nemu twitwi fom. Matie no, ne kasa woni se enne kuma sai ko tetina ase. A lawyer fu e ba yi nyina meti so obi a kasa gbegbegbe. Onu nko agu obi a ho fin.
No, Mpacho kasa kasa gbegbe no so Mpacho ni ti mo. There be ba honorable Usaman kwa kasa Mpacho kasa gbegbe Mpacho ye ni afre no de. Yes, but respect no so dia man as radio station wo chirechemi ni etiefo nti se wo so bana sese bi o kasa na ese wo hu Mpacho bebre honom de me anka ne sa Mpacho
Amati when say matters of this nature no it is a matters of fact they are very delicate and sensitive and nothing na ware sem me person me de ma no ebetu mu no eye no ene ho hihye na ye hwe se bibia be ye boko na ene court atenase na court ahye se de dikan court clarify that there's no injunction on the final funeral right no after court these are the statements made. I don't know what it is. That court has to speak.
But cancel. Hello, cancel. Hold on. Pacho, one house on person.
You go about making comments.
And Pacho, one house on person. Debut, Messi also on person.
There's no injunction.
And Pacho, cancel. Memo chance now reaction because one house on person be bantan Mpacho because yes I
didn't Mr. any dear kwan so oh friend no production friend me say
yeah but Mpacho
lawyer no me akwati me nyama biesa me Mpacho
no
Mr. asumje na ye nyina ye
honorable Usaman
no platform me can say out of court settlement is the way to go and then court no tinate e wo Kumasi no court no ahye se Nyankopon ya adomu a 28 October and I am Brabio. Na yam bra no court na say parties to the suit no and our parties involved no. Yes, say you better settle our differences. Ne friend no answer na ya back court na nim. It is a yen na ye pasumdie me hu se penfo tin konya. Me personally anopay menya cause be me say bia e free the other side air ba chete. Yen na ye hwe kwan ya ye be fa so. Then you call the lawyer. Na waba tutagum na waba tutagum aden
Mpacho mo bi account biana Mpacho mo bi account biana I car bank Mpacho
Mr. Lawyer ni say ni tikaya Mr. Lawyer no person go committee na ni mo asene say or the one CD and now send the client say what the one CD abre obi you see e kwanya mo fa so mo go ni pa ni mo asene no mo hwe yi o akwati
Mpacho maybe account be your car bank na Mpacho maybe account
car bank PLC official bank ya 1 week no omo na funeral committee ya engage wo se omumra na donations e beba no omo meye ho adwuma etimistro car bank na officially no omo ehwe eyi ne ho enhyehyɛ ye fatika tikasem ho Pacho.
And Pacho, who are the signatories to the account enidium?
And who probu committee now let me know your line of questions and stand what be say because I'm not the chairman for the committee me a coordinator entimami hunu one line of question na me provide the appropriate answers
because and some be about to dwana chese amanfo ye twetwe sika bi e di ama eye amanfo bi 28,000 mati this So yeah, moi penifoni bisike bi ho no makwama. So what I'm asking is I am bi ampacho uni mo bi o mo
say what the kama will be netika saying me sure clarify what answer what be some same way
empacho lawyer akasisi a e wo ye frame mo bi eti say obi ha ye 28,000 Abusuapanin kra baby hotel okoda ye ye twetwe sika e dia ma na me bisa say one na ye signatories to the account
na me bisa o say Abusuapanin a woti jom e ye ne de hye yie na say Abusuapanin abankran na wakwa akoda hotel na committee no Abusuapanin ho kopa ne bosia no bisa lawyer ne say no ogina benkuma na say nifa onim die ti Abusuapanin ti be ready such amount for the 1 week observation adana ye good ye ti me good ipa ko finsa ai akwasi emu oya o say wo de o de hye na wada ho na nipa no bi abo utidom na watimi aye a very successful 1 week na we na committee no atenase committee ne tenase madam Akosua Serwaa wo hobi madam Ernestina Brepoma e wo hobi Abusuapanin e wo hobi
na empacho representatives nyabuche me too
amunyina e wo hobi and ye account ye render account to we ye no it was agreed say Abusuapanin entimi e mokasa nti baby a okoda ye ne de ye nhwe na se emoa bi e wo ho a ye mfa nso na sene as a committee, and it was agreed and approved by the committee in the presence of lawyer Okase, the client. And the idea now, Ube go Abusuapanin, I won't fee our Montana Sabi, Wakakofa, Obitika, Waikana Wakakoji. Other young Kwadana, you think we are too cheap? Only me personal on Kamabo. Medicabia Batun and Samaboka. I don't know yet of Donny Akomapa a yard yet. Nanny Panobi, I don't want to say Biaso, or move good at the Lumba home a fee. And in any more. Only commitment, somebody like Roman Father, why yet in the scheme of arrangement. I don't know who will be a hoofy.
Me whom penny for me, no, a woman is Felix. Omnisign of Council Pacho. Me whom I am penny for me, no, a woman is Felix. The Empacho Council Pacho. Honorable Colisio, Honorable Pacho. I
don't know you and some way.
Honorable Pacho. Honorable.
What is that?
Honorable Pacho be Pacho. Me and yes, I need Pacho Tifoti. Mama Sebi need ye and committee for Pacho be Pacho. Why? My Mimbusa was semi in Pacho. Me see me whom penny for me, no, a woman is a fellas. Yenya a YouTuber, blogger, I interview. One more coming. Say, we near she's interviews. No, almost 7 say. Committee no. Sad date, cram, we say, man consortium. And then we answer no, council and a lawyer, and one swa. Watch them, we said, Abusuapanin be Abba. One more complaining, said, Niamana, Quaya Modium fast with meeting near the Adinano. Moya, Omunim Hushi, and they are not happy, they are complaining. In Pacho, they are now come out, Sassemio.
I wish, say, Enka, me studio, Nanka, my show, WhatsApp platform, official communication, also. Nanka, what do any ash here be now? Washibi. Now, be asked someone all kind of bonten and what will cry a womb. The best of my knowledge. Yen last meeting, Ansana Sabi, na yen Richie Kessie about Santimai, Emra, Santin him at all from. And no, and the Kahoma, ye suspending meetings, Kakra, because Sabi, or him at the form, I had then, ye bet me, and Nanti say, Daddy Lumba, a year, and she say, at the meeting, saying a bar, and God is my witness, and he's being captured by the minutes now, a course at the meeting. Until the Obia can be a non sabi Abusuano war secretary, Ora Gabriel entry. I don't know Abusuapanin a chair meeting, no, And I'm also as coordinator. Now I'm vice chairman on the committee. So now the issue of date came up to extend that Omo Bontina, Omo Kasomuni Moshi, no. Yankupon me dance in say, in fact, Miami near a giga crowd or no car say, I brought Yampo the Yana ticket, no, at Libon was so. So at the meeting, we agreed, because never see any now, so we agreed, say, a young bronya, Bosome, which is December. Then we were contemplating, say, either first week or second week. At the second week, 13th December. And I the first week in Sosua, 6th December. So some people even made statements and answer comments and our contribution say, I 5th December, no crowd a holiday, a national holiday, Farmers Day. And the end, the chef na a bebwa. Monsieur, someone make a Onyankupon Hatta way and a semi-tra. I was shocked. Say, suddenly, every day, a better abontene. And the public mission Yankupon knew. Pabaka say, committee no date. No. They were not informed. I was see, you see, it appears that some people are on destructive mission to extend that. I said, that you Lumba and Monyama Bata Sabi, Nidihu, any impo, Namuno, Yan say no. If not, and somewhere go abontini pa Abusuapanin, Sabi, where Yadina Yachapia, Obiapas or Cassetiano. Okay, all right. Okay, and Pacho, but council, meaning say, be a Beka, a Breno Asuna, Yemfins, you are me, so say, Prepna Bibia, Yebesaba.
Mamina asked for the opportunity. And let me put on record that I represent the sentiment of my clients. And better still, the family of Lumba. Let me qualify the close family of Lumba, the immediate family of Lumba. I represent their sentiment, and I've spoken loudly about it. Honorable Colin Zemikas, the interviews he has granted is more than the ones I have. The day I also say, Obiena and also court to say there is no injunction. Meaning, I was in the court. The court never said that. But said what? I can pardon him because he's not a lawyer. When a motion is filed, pending the hearing of the application, that thing that you are complaining of, is as good as the injunction is granted till the application is moved.
Oh, lawyer. Lawyer, I'm telling you.
You can't. I mean, can you take me as a lawyer?
No. You don't even know the issues in the first place.
You are a busybody.
Why doing this? I don't know, President. Why doing Lawyer, who tell me the fact that we are practitioner doesn't make you a good lawyer. Mamika Samuchero. Oh, Kasa, TJ will be Eka. As someone if there's an injunction on the final funeral writer, and Kakot to know and Neko to know Ebema public in Elfun say, there's an injunction. I'm coming. Please, I'm coming.
Please, don't lie this afternoon. You just make the same. What is the court say? That's what I'm complaining about. Don't change your language. Please, cancel. I'm not a child.
Cancel. If you're not a child, behave like an adult. Mamika Samichra. Why you want to say Ubeku be anymore? Say,
are you an adult?
What take advantage way? Hey, why are you doing that? Are you the only lawyer? Are you the only lawyer in this case? But be a bit
where adult?
I think
Mamenda Masina in face as in Pacho, Banjo before.
Mamma lawyer, whether I'm a good lawyer or not, why you never do. Whether I'm a good lawyer or not, my works will speak. And you won't have a judgment. Mamma can't say I'm sure. I'm a good lawyer. Agati,
some women now more Casamenti,
Agati, me patrol, we are not on Casa because that's why I'm going up. Please, doesn't make any comment about me. Otherwise, I will respond to you.
Honorable Osamanka, Menyasa, Pacho, my friend,
it's so painful, say.
My friend, opinion, Pacho, Menyasa. No, but don't do that.
I don't even want to mention this. I don't know yet. There's this Ghana law report. Agati, my lawyer hear me. Now on more research on this very issue. And sister,
all right, therefore, and Pancho, Madame Penny for me, baby, you know, is becoming Pacho baby, Monfanchemi, one penny for me, and Monfanche, but we answer no more, Mamma Jumano, I adding a wee at Yamami. Honorable Collins Uzamanka, former member of Parliament, Mensha North, or your coordinator, the funeral committee, Daddy Lumba, Vashe Mama, planning funeral planning committee, Oti, lawyer William Kusi, Ujran Honum saying Emma, the plaintiff, Akosua Serwaa.